See, last class what we discussed actually, the application of PDE. Initially we discussed classification of PDE, that is only second order we consider AUXX plus BUXY C into UYY. B square minus 4AC less than 0 means elliptic, is equal to 0 means parabolic, and U means hyperbolic, greater than 0 means. These already we studied, we may get the 1 mark or 2 mark questions. Then we go to the application of PDE. Application of PDE, what we did actually, one-dimensional wave equation or a vibration string. I mean, in signal system in EC students, many places you will reach this shape. Maximum you will solve using the Fourier series, because this is a sinusoidal waves. That's why we use Fourier series. Now, there what we done? What is the equation of one-dimensional wave equation? Tell me anyone of you. What is one-dimensional equation? Wave equation.
So it's dou square y upon dou t square is equal to a square, dou square y by dou x square.
Very good. That is then. Then suppose when you start the problem, always you can write the equation. What you will write? Dou square y by dou t square is equal to a square into dou square y by dou x square. Y is the displacement. T is the time actually. X is the length of the string. Then we will write actually y differentiate with respect to x 2 times, y differentiate with respect to k 2 times. Now totally I get 4 boundary conditions. What boundary conditions? That also we discussed. What are the possible solutions? 3 solutions are given. Among these 3, which is the correct solution we done? C1 cos px plus C2 sin px, C3 cos pad, C4 sin pad is the best solution I told. Correct or not? Similarly, taking this solution taken for granted, if they give the problem, they will, by reading the problem, just they can give a initially when t is equal to 0, displacement equation given or initial velocity. Read problem carefully. That is very, very important. Once if you read the problem, just you can write the boundary conditions. What you will write? Because both sides there is no vibration, x is equal to 0, no vibration, x is equal to a, no vibration. Both sides we are nailing actually, keeping one by string. Both sides we are putting 2 lines. This is what both the vibration endpoints. So first condition is what? Y of 0 comma t is equal to 0. Y of L comma t is equal to 0. Next is what? Initially no velocity. So dou y by dou t is equal to 0. Next they will give initially displacement starts from the beginning point when t is equal to 0. So y of x comma 0, what they are giving equation f of x. Then yesterday we done klx into lx minus x is a very good problem. 10 by 1 cube by cube something we got. N is the odd values. Very compulsory question. That's very, very important question. Then first condition of you apply y of 0 comma t apply means what you already are taking for granted. This is the solution. C1 cos px plus C2 sin px, C3 cos pad, C4 sin pad. So once if you consider this is the solution, one by one you can put the condition. Then what stage you are getting, the new stage you can consider as a solution. First you start, this is the position. Then if you put y of 0 comma t is equal to 0 means what? O will become 0, C1 0. This is the skeleton of the maths. Without any notes also, close your eyes. Equation, first condition C1 0. Then once C1 0 means what? C2 something coming earlier. Then second condition, if I substitute, what I will get? Y of L comma t 0 means what? P is equal to n by v. If I go back and substitute something is time, that also you have to recall. So no pen, no now pencil required. Once if you get the third condition is what? C4 0. So what is the balancing thing? C2 C3 sin n by x by L cos n by a by L. This is the standard solution Cn. C3 Cn I will write to Cn, that is called superimposing condition. Once if I decide the superimposing condition, the last displacement I will equal. If I write y of x comma 0 is equal to this one, cos 0 is become Cn sin n x by L is balanced. Cn sin inverse means what? There is nothing but it appears like that. Bn sin n pi x by l is equal to f of x. So from this, what you understand, solution is what in terms of half range sine series. Half range sine series. Getting or not? From this, what you understand, half range sine series. Once if I know half range sine series, I will substitute it and go back. First problem all like that. But second problem is what is given actually k naught y naught sin cube n pi x by l. What is second problem question? Second problem what we done? Second problem question by displacement equation is what? Y naught sin cube pi x by l.
Why not sine cube pi x by l?
So what I am doing there actually, my question also, my series also in terms of sine. C1 sin 1 pi x by l, C2 sin 2 pi x by l, C3 sin 3 pi x by l, C4 sin n pi x 4 pi x by l, so on up to infinity. If I comparing both sides, my values only stands C1, C3, remaining all Cn's are vanish. So I will go back and substitute it there. Getting or not? So that is the issue. Then this is up to what type of the problems? Zero velocities. Now we're going to see the non-zero velocity. Non-zero velocity means what? The problem read properly. They will do instead of displacement initial velocity, they will do. Initial velocity means what? My third condition become fourth condition, my fourth condition become third condition. Initially there is no displacement velocity like this. Now I can see, we can see that also. Correct? Shall we go? Yes.
Yes.
What we are doing, just we can try that something. Later, if we have any time, remaining problems you can try. See, this is the condition. They will do initially means what this 4. This fellow I will let f of x. My fourth equation become third condition become fourth condition. Go. Starting a sine cube. No. I will do one problem. I will come back sine cube. Sine cube means I can write directly answer. Correct? But we take the one tough problem. Then I will come back sine cube. This is also same thing. This is also a very good problem. Same story. Lx minus x square. First problem what we done, remember or not? K into Lx minus x square. This is what? Lambda into Lx minus. Now read the problem clearly. Any one of you read problem? Read, sir. No one is there, huh? Are you able to see my share screen, watching screen?
Yes, sir.
Read, any one of you read the question. Yes? Not able to. Example
A tightly stretched string with fixed ends x equal to 0 and x equal to L is initially at rest in its equilibrium position. If it is set vibrating, giving each point a velocity lambda x into
each point after that, what is given?
A velocity.
It's very, very important. Previous problem, what is telling? Displacement is telling. This what is telling? The velocity. So velocity is given initially equilibrium position. So some velocity initially is there. So lambda x into L minus x. Show that this is the answer. So you are familiar. What you will write? Now this is the equation. As I said, you can write equation. Then what you will write? Conditions is what? First two conditions are 0 or not. From first condition, what you will get? Tell? C1 0, Second condition, n is equal to what? N of p. P is equal to what? Tell me, sir.
N pi
N
by
by
L.
L.
N pi by L. But if this story, their third condition is different. Your third condition is what? Initially equilibrium position. So y of x comma 0 is equal to 0. So this carefully you can do. First two as a world story, I will apply. Last fellow is the velocity. But here there I am doing y of 0 comma this. This is carefully. Read the problem carefully, then attack. This directly comes up. Okay, there we see solution how to solve first problem. Every problem same thing. I don't see the question here actually. How to solve going to see. We forget about this. This instead of this, I will use what? The lambda x intermix. First condition, if you apply y of 0 comma t c1 0, this already are familiar or not? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
First condition, if you apply c1 0, then my equation becomes this fellow: c2 sin px, c3 cos pat, c4 sin pat. Then at second condition, if you apply y of l comma t means what I will get? Same story. c2 cannot be 0. This term cannot be 0. Suppose if it is this is 0 means what? There is no string, there is no marks, there is no question pattern. So only chance is what? Sin PL 0. Sin PL 0 means what? PL is equal to n pi. So P is equal to n pi A by L. So that only is telling if this is not equal to 0 like this. So n pi by L. And 4 you will get this stage I will reach. This is where stage I will reach. Then next condition is what? Y of x comma 0. This all the story start. Y of x comma 0 means what? In this, if you substitute y of x comma 0, what will you get? What will you tell me? P is equal to 0. Substitute and tell me 1 minute. I'll back. This you can put actually y of x comma 0 means what will you get? Tell me. Sir, substitute y of x comma 0. If you substitute, what will you get? T is equal to 0. What will you get? Tell me.
C4 equal to 0.
Ah. No. In this equation y of x comma t, this is the equation I am standing with me. C2 sin n pi x by L, C3 cos n pi a t by L, C4 n pi a t by L. If t is equal to 0 means what will happen? C3 into 1 will come on, C4 will go off. So C3, C2 sin n pi x by L. Now which is 0? Again same story. C2 cannot be 0, sin n pi x by 0, which is 0, C3 0. There who is 0? Third condition, tell me.
C4.
But always you can compare this problem what I am doing, what their problem. This skeleton you can remember. At least step by step, whether if you in between, if you make small mistakes also blindly you can write C4 is equal to 0, that problem. Here who is 0?
C3.
If C3 0 means what? My equation become what? C2 sin n pi x by L, C4 sin n pi a t by L. Can you agree? Because
Yes, sir.
this fellow become vanish. Balance term is what? C2, C4. Both terms are sine. There is what? One is sine, one is cos. Like this you can compare slowly. Then only subject will develop. Shall I go further, sir? After explanation, I will reach this. The same story. C2 cannot be 0, sin n pi x. Already I told you C2 means what? There is no equation. Sin n pi x also means the whole thing collapse. Then this is the balance term. Again, what I am telling, C2, C4 I will write as a Cn, superimposition. Actually, superposition is what? This will get not ready. So, this is my life of the problem. This is my life of the problem. This is the solution I will start. Now, my fourth condition is what? Tell me. Fourth condition is what? Velocity given or not? Am I
Yes,
confusing? Am I confusing?
No, sir.
Up to you will get every problem, velocity problems you can come up to here. Are you able to do or not up to here? First condition C1 0, second condition is what? P is equal to n pi by L. Third condition is what? C3 0. There C4 0. Clear all of you?
So one small doubt.
Second.
Sir, right before C3 is equal to 0, why can't sin n pi x by L be equal to 0?
That is value and no, how it becomes 0. L value you know, X value you know, N value you know. How it becomes 0? N is running from 1. So some value it will 0. Some places it will be stands. N if you give, L if you give means what? Guaranteed it will give values. L is equal to 0 to L actually. Some length. X also I know. Xn means what? Guarantee the 0 to L means what? Some number are not in defining. X also you will get X is what? In between 0 to L. N is running from 1 to infinity. Maybe particular point, maybe it's become 0. Not all values. You know, you cannot say this is equal to 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay, suppose according to your condition, if it is become 0 means what? Then there is no solution. My solution where it's standing is C2 sin n x by L into some fellow is there, you know.
No, sir, it can't be 0.
Yeah, no. Suppose if it is 0 means what? There is no against trivial. Trivial means what? There is no string actually. There is no vibration. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Ask me, sir. If you have doubts, ask me. If I know, I will tell you. If I don't know, I'll prepare and come back and tell you. Don't worry. But ask me always. Always welcome. Now, this is very good question. Now, after that, I will go. This is actually for sign problem I am doing. Then I will go for that problem, our problem. Our problem becomes what now? This you can differentiate. Dou y by dou t with respect to t. If you differentiate, what you will get? This fellow constant. Sign differentiation is what? Cos n pi a t by L into n pi by L. Correct or not? So this whole fellow I will call as n of Bn. Okay. Now this is equal to my equation is what? This is equal to 0 means what? This is telling is B naught sin cube. But there I will go now. I will come back for this problem. Yes. See. Up to we reach there or not? Sir, okay or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
After 3 conditions we reached or not here? Now, dou y by dou t I am writing after differentiate I reached. So, for every problem you have to do. Because in textbook is skipping actually. What is being already taken for granted, we know that is writing. But examination you should not write. You know answer. But roughly in backside you can write C1 0, K is equal to N is equal to P is equal to N pi by L, C3 is equal to 0. This stage you can write no problem. But don't do examination. If you can get the marks means what you have to write. Then actually now you can mode of studying also you have to change actually. Typical points you have to see. Like not like a markup actually. Because all our MCQ means what? It's very dangerous question. You have to get everything in knowledge. Otherwise it's impossible. So it should be very strong in subject. So 10 marks everyone can do, everyone can get the marks, but 1 mark is very important, dangerous position. So if I differentiate, I will get. Now t is equal to 0, if I substitute what I will get, this fellow become 1 or not. So balance term is what? Cn sin n pi a by L sin n pi x by L. This is good. Now this whole thing I will write as a Bn. Bn sin n pi x L to f of x. This is nothing. This is it. Cn n pi a by L is equal to Bn. This carefully can write. There I am writing just Cn is equal to Bn. But here this is different. There already I got Cn sin n pi x by L sin n pi a by L. This is Cn where this whole thing is Bn. So from this Cn if I substitute something extra L by n pi a by I will get. So carefully you can do. So Cn n pi a by L is I am putting as a Bn. So it appears what? How it is appears? From this what you are understanding? Bn sin n pi x by L into f of x means nothing but who is this fellow? Who is this fellow? Top line is here. Half range for is here. Correct or not? Any doubt?
Yes,
Then integrate. Then already yesterday this we done already. This integration wise what I got 8k something 8k 4k less 8k less L square I got here because lambda. Just I am skipping, sir. Are you able to do or not? This answer you know or not? Yesterday we done the same problem.
Yes, sir.
Instead of lambda, I did there k. 8k L square n cube by cube I got. This is what I got actually. 8 lambda L square n cube by cube. Okay, yeah. Now this you will get. Then this is Cn is equal to what? Bn by n pi by L. Is substituting Cn value is preparing actually. Bn is equal to what? Cn into n pi a by L. From this Cn is equal to what? Bn into L by n pi by A. So go back and substitute it here. Cn value. So that problem, this problem is difference is what there 8k L square you got, here L cube you got, extra 1 A you got, n pi you got. This term you got extra. So this is the solution. Anyone doubts that? They ask me. It's very good problem. Open the pen and do. This is my humble request. Like if you listen like a history means what you can't. This is a mathematics. Anyway, I will do videos. Whether videos are there or not, you can. If you try only, you can able to know where you are making the mistakes. Okay or not this problem? There also we did very good problem. K into Lx minus x square. Only thing is what boundary conditions are changing. Once if the boundary condition changes means what? There actually C40, this is C30. So carefully you can do here sin n pi x by L, sin n pi a t by L. There sin n pi x by L, cos n pi a t by L. Because they directly x is equal to 0 means what? Cos 0, 1. Here, after differentiating sin become cos, if you put 0 means what? That fellow become 1. That is the beauty of the problem because fourth condition is do way by do. Correct or not? So this is the story. If you read the problem, this is all you can recall actually. Sing like a song actually. Oh, this is given this I want to do. This is we come next step. This next step. This next step is. So without closing your eyes and recall means answer should run in front of your eyes. That is the way. Now I will go next. That same question can I explain again? Same story. Okay. Sir, all of you there or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I confusing lot?
No, sir.
Only
No,
one.
sir.
Okay. Now see this problem is same story. This is okay. Beautifully is given dou y by dou t. But read problem carefully. Is telling displacement or velocity. Velocity means story is different. Displacement story is different. Okay, is given velocity. Now right. Better always you have to write this fellow first. This is the equation. Then conditions. After that, what you write, we know the correct solution. This is the correct solution. So first fellow C10, second fellow P is equal to n pi by L, third fellow means what? C30. So balanced term what I will get? C2, C4 sin n pi x by L, sin n pi 8L. So superposition if I do Cn sin n pi x by L, sin n pi 8A by L I will get. This I am skipping already, you know. Correct? Can I skip here? Why again, same story.
Yes, sir.
Tape recorder actually. How to sit and do. So this I will write V0 sin 2. This you can write Bn if you want. He is not changing Bn I think. So better you can write Bn. Sin 2x if you write like this you will get. If you expand means what C1, this you can write B1 actually. That is better. It means what after one you can change. What is the problem? You get like this. C1 pi A by L, C2, n means 2 means what 2 pi by L, 3 means what 3 pi by L up to infinity you get. Comparing both sides what you will get, this also sine, this side also sine. So from this what you will get sin pi x by L coefficient is what 3v0 by 4. Here sin pi x by L coefficient is what C1 pi A by L. Here is what sin 3 pi x by L coefficient is what minus v0 by 4. Here is what C3. C3 3 pi A by L sin 3 by x by L. So remaining there is no terms, meaning is what actually for you there are fellows are there 0 into sin 2 pi x by L, 0 into sin 4x by L. So from this what you got Remaining all are zeros, comparing coefficients. From this what we write? This is equal to 3 1, C2 0, C3 0, C4 0, R 0. So all C is 0. From this C1 you can prepare, C3 can write. Here you don't write sigma notations because only my answer will be stands with the 2 terms only. They don't write sigma notation. If you write sigma notation, immediately they will ask what is your math must be. They will scold me. Okay. It's already been done. Answer also is done. Yes. This problem also very important. Already done actually. Say apart if 2L is given, if 2L means what? Can you get the offering sign series? It's very dangerous problem. What you will do, tell me. I need always offering sign series only. Strings means sinusoidal only. So what you will write? This 2L, can you write capital L? Can I write sir 2L is equal to capital L? Can I change? Tell me sir. Hello? Hello?
So just an assumption.
2L I am writing a capital L. So this fellow becomes what? 0x equal to L by 2. This is L. So I will get half range sign this. Then I can attack. Is anywhere you have seen this equations? Tell me where you have seen this. Forget about this fellow. Anyway, you have seen this. See, notes I have sent you with the solutions. You people are not no time to see. At least open and see whether you do or not. That's next issue. What is today's talking in front of computer? Go home and see whether he's telling properly or not, whether he's telling correct or not. Just you can check like this. Yesterday third problem is what? Anyone remember actually? Yesterday third problem. Yesterday third problem, what I have done? A string at half of the length stretched at a distance b transversely, I told or not? Got it or not at least? Like a triangle shape we got it or not? There what I told? These people are not giving equation. You have to form the equation I told or not? There what equation
Yes,
you got? What equation you got? At least now see this equation that you can tell me. I am stretching my string at a distance b. So 0 to L by 2. So here 0, 0, that is 0.
2bx by L.
Here who is there?
In 0 to L by 2 it's 2bx by L, and L by 2 to L it's 2bx by L into L minus x.
Now who is there here? This problem. Instead of b, who is there?
C, sir.
One. Both are same or not? What is there?
Yes, sir.
If you are able to attack this, can't you do this? Tell me. Already I completed that problem. Thing is what? The story have to change. Same hero, heroine, but different stories. So means what? The final touch-up we are giving different. But way of doing same or not? Wherever you can go, offerings and series are same or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Whatever maybe you have to do offering sign series. 0 to L by 2, there you are done 2bx by L. L by 2 to L is what? 2b by L by small L minus x and capital L is appearing. Whatever maybe I will write. But solution is same or not? Applying the limits, balance terms. Maybe final solution, the shape is different. The way of attacking the inside, everything same or not? So seeing the question, you can recall that, oh, there I done B, this, C. Like then you will enjoy the subject actually. Where people are getting directly here. It's how you got. It's not a joke actually. It's not a joke. This how much work is there of creating this at least minimum 15 minutes work is there or not? Tell me, yeah.
Yes, sir.
After 15 minutes, I will reach the stage. First condition C10, second condition P is equal to N pi by L. Carefully you can write here capital L, you have to choose carefully, not small l. This all you can keep in mind. After differentiate, I will get this value. After that, if I equate, I will scan this. Say f of x. Now he is telling this value f of x. My f of x is this is. So this is nothing but what if you put bn sin n pi x by l means what? F of x, any function if I write n is equal to 1 to infinity, bn sin n pi x by l means what? It's nothing but offering sine series. I can expressing my function in terms of offering sine series. I'm expressing my function series of sine. So my solution is this is my function actually. My function is I'm expecting. So whatever do, then I will find out what is my bn. These all are normal conditions. You know, bn and preparing 2 by l 0 to then integrate. Zero to L by 2 this fellow, L by 2 to L this fellow. Suppose if you take outside 2c by L means what? 4c by L square, x can keep as is. Sin n by x by L integration is what? Minus cos n by x by L by cos n by x by L by n by L minus formula minus this x differentiation 1. Again, this minus cos n pi x by L, the integration is what? Minus sin n pi x by L. Already one n pi by L is there. I will get another n pi by L. So it's become n pi by L whole square or n square pi square n square. So if you have this next term, after that I will apply limits totally. This 2c by L as I taken total outside from here, I taken 4c by L square, common and getting square bracket. This L minus x you can keep here. Again, sin n pi x by L, if you integrate what you get, minus cos n pi x by L. Then formula minus 1. L minus x, if you differentiate, capital L becomes 0. Minus x become minus 1. Open the bracket. Again, this fellow, if you integrate, minus sin n pi x by L and square pi square n square. If you apply the limit, lower limit 0 means what? 0 into anything equal to waste. Here, lower limit 0 means what? Sin 0. So, this whole term vanished for lower limit. Here, if you upper limit means what? L minus L 0 waste. Here, sin L. So, your upper limit vanish. Here is what? Only upper limit stands. If you substitute L by 2, what will you get? Capital L by 2 sin n pi x by 2 you will get. This is also sin n. Sorry, this is cos n pi x by 2 sin n pi x by 2. Similarly, this what you will get actually. Lower limit is L. So, 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Only sign terms will balance. Here what you are getting, some fellow here minus you get cos, sign terms will be available. Okay, after substituting this thing I will get. So this cos is what with minus, this is plus. This fellow cancel. So this twice of this fellow. Means Bn is equal to this fellow. Now Cn already you know. Cn is equal to what? Bn is equal to Cn by n pi by L by n pi you get. Come back. Then what is my solution? I want to go there. This is actually my equation. This also you can substitute. Small capital L you can use. What is my capital L actually? Where I started my problem? I am using actually cash. Actually my problem is small l. I am introducing my friend is capital L. So what is our? Ask him to get out. So where is capital L? I am substituting this small here. But these all are if you substituted, you will reach this. Sir, any problem? But thing is what you have to sit and do, otherwise highly impossible. At least classroom is what I will check whether how many of you doing writing or not. Like we are daily seeing like a daily serial actually. Just sitting in front of the computer, what you are doing, I don't know. What I am talking, I don't know. You don't know actually. So going on like this. Maybe timetable has come actually. Psych industry also they said actually online or offline. Is they mentioned anything? Academia timetable you have received or not scheduled? Anyone is there? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Academia schedule is received or not? They mentioned second cycle test also online. Third cycle is they are not mentioned, I think so. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So you may come back there, you have to write big for this like full questions. So carefully you can prepare actually like a dual role. Be prepared to MCQ as well as big questions also. We act like a dual role. If we come there, you can attack there. If you not turn up, you can write MCQ. Maybe they may be changing actually their procedure. They may change. They may take answers in big questions form also. They are finding the solutions how to get there, keep the examinations. So they may do. Correct or not? Can you able to do or not? This problem also not that much important. If you want, you can see. Two limits you have to write. 0 to L by 2, L by 2. This like this is how to fix actually. Then you can write. Same story. But 0 to L only. But this fellow 0, this in between only, this is valid. Just you can substitute it. I think EC's 2 students are still not submitted actually in what assignment. This also see 10 packs well means what? Okay, we don't try this. Are not required. If you have time, we can see. This is very dangerous problem. Don't do. Both conditions are there. No. I hope this is enough. Wait, I'll come back to you. Yes. Now, you people can tell actually how we are doing. Okay or not? This is. Are you understanding or not? Hello. Open all of your videos actually. All are there or not?
Understanding, sir.
Who is
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Understanding.
Yes, sir.
open your videos actually all of you.
Yes, sir.
Open videos actually. The next class onwards you have to open your videos. Notes you are preparing. Notes you can show me one by one. Show and leave the class actually. Show to my face your notes and go. Notes preparing or not? Show me, sir.
What, sir?
On screen you can show notes like this is my notes like this. Yeah. 40. Tell me. 37.
Sir, actually, the notes are very rough that we make.
What? No. Tell me, sir.
So the notes are very rough. They're not.
Okay, what? Rough or waste or what can we show on my face? I'm happy, no. At least today, everything you copied or not. Show that at least today's story you can show. At least 1 or 2 lines. Something every day I'm blabbering in front of the video, that is camera. What you're doing, I don't know. Internet issue to joins. His problem. Now only came actually. Very good. Show, sir. We notice. No.
Sir, actually, today we were studying from the PDF, so because we were going really fast, we couldn't make the notes. Like previous notes I have yesterday's.
All Vaibhav Singh only answering. Why Vaibhav? You talk about yourself. Don't consider about others. You talk about you and me only in front of computer. Don't worry about remaining 120 people. Tell you our problem only. We all miss everyone start like this. I am not able to answer. I am not able. You are going first. I am doing like this. You can tell. At yesterday notes you can show at least. One fellow left. Am I making bore, yeah? Tell me. I know actually but I should know, where I'm standing actually, whether I'm taking properly or not, if people are understanding that, at least that you can tell daily. Sir, you are very bad teacher, miss, I may change myself. Everyone is there?
No, sir, we're understanding.
Understanding, okay. You only, remaining people, Bhavya understanding. Bhavya is there? Bhavya, one time, second time, third
Yes,
time.
sir.
Is the getting okay?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah, I got it. Now,
Yes, sir.
now only you reach somewhere roaming here and there and home. Huh? Shanu Kumar.
No, sir.
Okay, good. You are a good amma. Shanu Kumar, are you alive? Prachit Balaji.
Yes, sir.
Ah, super. Balaji sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dev Kumar. Dev Kumar 63.
Yes, sir.
Chinmay Purohit.
Yes, sir.
Then suddenly we take randomly. Sai Niharika.
Yes, sir.
Where are you? Yeah. Then Deepya. Oh, Parvatineni, super. Who is Deepya Parvatineni? Famous initial in Andhra.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Very good. Then Devi is there, R Devi. R Devi, first time, second time, third time. Then, there. Okay, mic is on you. Devi, are you there? Devi, or 576. Hare Krishna Sundar Rajan.
Yes, sir.
You are there, super sir.